Capitalism. Sell this product for double, pay off what you owe. You just made double. That's how much money you had. Sold it for 50 grand, you made 50 grand. Sold it for $5, you made $5. Basically, just double your money, pay what you paid for it, and now you're in this part of the cycle. China's in that part of the cycle where they're the manufacturer. If you make it yourself, you make more money. Where's the money on this earth? Countries jockeying for positions, billions of dollars, trillions of dollars of debt. People owe money everywhere. Including countries. That's what kind of product you can bring, make, or sell, and then you can get in the game.